Welcome to Lodhi Art District. This area has a fascinating story. Lodhi Colony was the last neighborhood built by the British in India, and it features beautiful and unique architects that tells a part of Delhi's history. Since 2015, the St+Art India Foundation has invited 50 famous street artists from around the world to come here and create amazing artworks. Come and let's explore this creative space together.
I just got out of Jorbak, the metro station, and now I'm going to Lodhi Art District, which looks very fun. Like lots of art there, lots of little cafes should be there. So yeah, let's come along with me. So I am walking this and 1.5 kilometers from the metro to the district, and I can already see some nice art in the middle.
I was super excited to walk around here. There was so much different artworks by different people, and I am very excited also to share it with you. It was the first time that me myself was alone in Delhi walking around, and I got a few looks and a few people wanted to talk to me, but overall it was a nice experience for me to walk around in the streets of Delhi.
This is one of my favorites by far for now. And it's a whole neighborhood. There's like lots of different artworks. There's one here, there's one there, different artists. But you are seeing it's a little bit like older, getting older, because lots of other artists are having like some graffiti spread over it. So yeah, it's a district. So you just walk around and you just see art, or you can just try to follow kind of a map. I will put it in the link below. I will put a map of like all the different art. Yeah, see, there is another one right there. Just here with the birdies, and then there's like a lot of trees. It's not too busy. It's just nice, a nice part of Delhi, I guess. Look newer. They are very intact. I will search all the names of the artists later on. Actually, some of these even have some text boxes. Okay. Hello.
Do you want to click something?
Huh? The text box I was talking about for like this artwork here. Like if you want to read it, it's here. I just got a nice guy taking some pictures of me, and like I have some pretty nice art here. I'm gonna just wander some more around. It's like zigzag up and down the streets, so I don't miss too much art, because this is I love this. Yeah, this is very nicely done by the government. I just found like a new favorite. It's super colorful and it's about an imaginary world. Imagine a world. Quality education, DNA, people can be free. All of these wall arts have a backstory. I like it. trees here, gonna grow up. I'm in the last part of the art streets. If I find some more art, it's nice, but I'm not gonna search for it anymore because I saw a lot of beautiful pieces and I think it's time to take the metro back. This place is really nice if you want a day out walking, if you don't want to spend money that much, you just like the sun is not too hot. Also like some of the graffiti is kind of like you cannot take pictures because it's blocked in the sun. Also I'm solo traveling right now, I'm like on myself in Delhi, so it's oh dog, lots of noise. I call it, I let the bus pass. So what I was saying is there is a lot of, I'm solo, so there's a lot of art, and if you want some nice pictures or anything, it's better to go with two, because now I'm just taking it in, which is also very nice. Here another one, very pretty. Yeah, so I'm just taking them in. I'm trying to take some selfies of myself. It's working. Close to the Lodi Art thingy is also the Lodi Garden. It has some lots of monuments. It has like pretty nice leaves, and yeah, I think you can like combine it easily. You have like a big walking day, or you can take a tuk-tuk to here, rickshaw, and then again, then the metro is closed. Then that's what I'm going afterwards. But there's quite a lot of people, and there's like a monument right there. Lots of monuments. This is Baragumba behind me, and I'm gonna see some more monuments, and all of this is free of charge.
I want to share a little bit of history with you on the Bara Gombat, also known as the Big Dome. This impressive structure is a tomb from the 15th century, built during the Lodi dynasty. It features a stunning dome and stone carvings, which showcase the beautiful Indo-Islamic architectural style. It's a perfect place to stop and take in the history. As I walk around in the gardens, it's full of flowers and trees. It is crazy that this little bit of nature is here in the midst of Delhi. It's such a peaceful place. There's even a small lake nearby. I love to take a moment and just enjoy the scenery. Now let's make our way to the tomb of Sikandar Lodi. This tomb belongs to the founder of the Lodi dynasty, and it is surrounded by more of this beautiful garden.
It is 5 in the evening, so people are getting out of office, and it's like super nice, like atmosphere here in the park. Lots of birdies, lots of people just sitting on the benches, and yeah, lots of people looking at me vlogging. But there are like nicely here is like a picnic going on. That's like a perfect thing to do in these parks. They are just putting out their sheets, they're having this cute spot, they're having this, yeah, nice views. So I love being in the park. This is a good park in Delhi. Lodhi Garden.
Be sure to hit that like button, and here are some more videos to watch.